exactly. Got the cameras up. Any given moment. What's good, baby?
What's up, boss man?
Hot to Death Records, man. What up, man? BCI, man. You already know. About to go to Lansing. Do this stunning thing for Bird Cartel. You know we promoting all week. We at the Holiday Inn Select. Whenever you want to get a room, come to the Holiday Inn Select. When you hit Grand Rapids, they take care of us here. We about to shoot the Lansing, go promote that Bird Cartel. We got big boy Boss Digi walking in. You already know what it is. CEO, the quiet CEO. You the quiet CEO. Icy, Cardi's on ice. Frost finish, nothing. GC, somebody that don't talk. Diddy man, the pimp. Yeah.
For real.
And Chrissy Shiesty Schemer. Hey, hey, but I see this shit today. Oh, no, dirty ass thing. Shiesty Schemer. Keisha's like, damn, that's for us. I don't know that. Oh, what that means? You know what I mean? Red Rule's good.
Oh, you know what it is, man.
The camera ain't never on.
So where the club? What's the name of the club we headed to?
The club, you know, and to be honest, shout out to all my ladies in Lansing. You know, I do it big down there. But I forgot the name slightly. I think it's 621. We already done bossed up down there before, so it's a good vibe. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't like just no little bust and shit. You know, we went in there. Jason Richardson that play hoop.
Right.
He was there. Mateen Cleave was in there. Popping Bottles was in there. All of them was in there. We chilling with them all night.
Oh, okay.
So, you know, when they come in town, they go there.
Okay, so
it just let you know we ain't going to no
bullshit.
Yeah. We going where the NBA players be. We celebrities too though. Hot to Death Records. BCI, nigga. BCI, nigga.
You better believe.
Okay. You know what I'm saying? So.
What you sipping on, G?
BCI, nigga. BCI, nigga.
You better believe.
Okay.